In this video, we're going to look at how to do a pendulum swing. Hello and welcome everyone. When driving on gravel or ice, one essential technique to tackle a corner is through the pendulum swing, also known as the Scandinavian Flick. There are already a few videos about the pendulum swing on YouTube, but they're all done by instructors, very clean, like they are out of the textbook. Therefore, I made a video for you of what it actually looks like learning the pendulum swing. In order to learn it, I drove a rear-wheel driven Ford Escort at the ice driving school in Livigno. So sit back, relax, learn from my mistakes and stay until the end in order to not miss the final key hint.
When you go in the corner, you have always to release the gas, okay? You have always a little bit of gas on it, okay?
Yeah, but you helped, right?
A little bit.
But what am I doing wrong?
It's just the braking. You have to be a bit more aggressive.
More aggressive on the
A
brake.
little bit, yes. Go brake. Try. It's like here. It's like on downhill. Okay. If you stay too much on the right, you go up on a half wheel. Okay. And the car doesn't slide.
Okay.
Try to stay more on the center of the
okay.
track. Okay. Because the car can slide.
Okay. Because there's too much snow on the outside.
Yes, yes, because it goes up and stops the rotation. Open. Ah! Okay, better, huh? It was better.
It was better.
Gas?
Do you need to go to first gear? No.
No, because you go too much high with the RPM. You have to go immediately open with the wheel.
Okay.
Okay. It's better to brake on the straight line, okay? You release a bit the brake, turn right, then you leave the brake and turn left. Okay. Now what you do? You arrive there, no gas, turn right and then brake. Okay. So it's better to brake straight, then turn right and then turn left. Okay.
Brake straight, turn
Yes.
right, turn left.
Exactly.
And
And
no
not-
braking in between.
No. Open. Good job.
Yeah.
It was good now.
A little bit I need to improve, but
Yeah, it's working.
it's work. Yeah, it's hard.
It was a very fun driving.
Yeah.
You have driven it very good.
I loved it. But the hairpin.
It's
The
so
hairpin works
difficult.
without the handbrake.
Yeah. The last time it wasn't without the handbrake.
You pressed it.
Small
Can I
hand.
press it? Can I do it?
Yeah, it's a bit difficult to understand the timing.
Okay.
You have to use all the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you turn in, more. like this. It's like to be like this, not up, okay, but up, okay. You are driving good now. The feeling, I think, is good.
It's better, but still the one up there.
Yeah, it's the most difficult one.
The most difficult.
Okay, so it's easy to do the mistake there.
Okay.
It's too easy to do the mistake. But you feel now you had 2 or 3 times that you were doing very good there.
Yeah.
Okay. It just need to understand a bit better the braking point. Okay. Because sometimes you brake slow, sometimes you brake too hard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you just need to feel it better. Okay.
Yeah. And if I brake, like I do the, if I go up there, right, to the hairpin, I go up, I do braking.
Yeah.
Left.
The
right.
The right. Yes. And then you go.
Where do I release the brakes when I go?
When you turn on the left, you release the brake. So it's going to be hard braking on straight, release a little bit right, release everything on the left. Okay. But now it's difficult because you don't have a speed that it's like you are coming down there like this. Okay, you are coming in a good position. Okay, so it's so difficult.
Should I go faster down there? No.
Not faster, but you should brake harder on straight.
Later also?
You can brake later, yes, because now it's what is missing. The aggressive of make it turn the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Because now the car turn, but it's like slow on the right, and when you turn left, it's difficult to make it slide.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So the
harder I go on the right, the easier.
Exactly. Why this? Because you make the car snap on the on one part and snap on the other part. Okay. The driving is good. Okay. It's just try to be more aggressive on that point. Just doing the hairpin in a good way, you take out 5 seconds.
Yeah. That's there you can gain the most time.
Exactly.
Still fast.
Sorry. No problem. It was good, huh? When you try to go fast, it's easy to make the mistake.
Yeah.
Good job. You are good now, huh?
Yeah.
It wasn't so fast. It's too easy to make the mistake with this car.
Okay.
Because you have a lot of steering. It's difficult to understand how much it turns. But you drive very good.
Okay, thank you.
Now at the end it was mwah.
Thank you.